This is the video for your vocabulary words over the standard S6E1D, which is for rotation and revolution. So you do not need to worry about number one, about the table of contents, because we will provide you with a new table of contents that has numbers 37 and etc. on it that will already be typed in there for you. So you need to start with number 2 on page 37 of your spiral notebook. Write the unit EQ, lesson EQ, and learning objective. So the unit EQ is how has our understanding of the universe changed. The lesson EQ is what do objects seem to move across the sky. Sorry, that should be how do objects seem to move across the sky. So you need to fix that for the lesson EQ. And learning objectives should be I can explain the motion of objects in the day-night sky in terms of relative position, which is S6E1D. Then starting on page number 37, you need to start writing these 4 words and definitions. So number 1 is ellipse. This is a closed symmetric curve shaped like an oval. So ellipse is the shape that the planets make as they go around the sun. So it is a closed symmetric curve shaped like an oval. It is not a circle. The planets make a shape of an ellipse or an oval. Number 2, orbit is the curved path, usually elliptical, described by a planet, satellite, spaceship, etc. around a celestial body as the sun. So orbit is the actual path that is usually in the shape of an ellipse that a planet or some other body makes around another one, and that is, an example is the planets going around the sun. So again, an orbit is the curved path, usually elliptical, described by a planet, satellite, spaceship, etc. around a celestial body as the sun. Number 3 is rotation. This is the movement or path of the Earth or a heavenly body turning on its axis. So all the planets spin on their axis, and rotation is this movement as it spins around on its axis, as you could see from the Cornell Notes video. Number 4 is revolution. This is the orbiting of one heavenly body around another, such as planets around the sun or moons around planets. So from the Cornell Notes video, remember orbit and revolution are synonyms because they both mean the same thing. So revolution means one heavenly body going around another, and the examples are the planets going around the sun and the moons going around the planets. So these are your 4 vocabulary words for this standard on rotation and revolution. So please make sure that you have both the Cornell Notes done from Miss Turner's video, as well as these 4 vocabulary words written down when you come to class. And we will see you in class.